Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about binding and placing a component symbol with its footprint. First, go down to the library panel and switch to Partner. Here, find the CH340N component. On the right side, you'll notice that it currently only has the symbol, but no footprint linked yet. Next, click Edit. Then choose Footprint to open the Footprint Manager. Again, select Partner, and find the CH340N footprint we created. Click Confirm, and that's it. The symbol and footprint are now bound together. Click Confirm one more time. Let's take another example with a capacitor. It works the same way. Click Footprint this time. Instead of only using a personal footprint, you can also search in the system or user libraries. For example, type C0805 in the search box and click View. Let's show the footprint of an 0805 SMD capacitor. Here, let's pick the system library, which is the official footprint, and bind it. Click Confirm, and then Confirm again. That completes the binding. Once that's done, you can close or collapse the window and go back to your schematic editor. In the library panel at the bottom, select Partner, CH340 component, then click Place. And you'll see the component has both the symbol and footprint. If it asks you to update, just click Update. OK. Finally, click Place again and the component will be added to your schematic.